My name is Lior Goldenberg. I'm the Managing Director at Magic. We're here in Bell, Ontario today to discuss a very unique project that involved a ton of high-level engineering. This peninsula is very well known for having up to 80-kilometer winds throughout the entire year, whether it's the summer, fall, winter, or spring. So we knew we needed to go back to the drawing board here and reinforce the heck out of our products to be able to withstand the elements. This was no ordinary job for us here at Magic, and we're kind of known for pushing the boundaries in terms of engineering and design. And the engineering team at our office was super stoked to get a project like this. The highlight of this project were the massive 15-foot triangular shapes the client included into our scope of work. These triangular shapes involved a ton of metal reinforcement and included 6mm tempered glass, which is very heavy and a logistical nightmare from an installation perspective. But the team at Magic was extremely excited to get onto this job here. One of the most noticeable aspects of this project is the fact that these sliding patio doors that the client ordered from Magic don't have any screens on them, which is something really unique for an area of Ontario that we're currently located in Muskoka, where the bugs can be a nightmare in the summertime. But what's very unique about Magic's product line is the fact that all of our sliding patio doors, windows, and window wall systems include a patented retractable bug screen, which is one of the main reasons that this client reached out to us in the first place. This retractable screen allows 50% more natural light into the space and provides much clearer views to the exterior, which was extremely important to this client, especially for where they're located in their property. The products behind me feature Magic's very unique solar shade system, which cuts 97% of the UV rays from entering the space in the summertime, while also ensuring a ton of radiant heat stays in the space in the wintertime. It provides a ton of dynamic flexibility to this homeowner throughout the entire year.